Assalamualaikum, my name is Zulaika binti Zailani, metric number AN190218. So today we are going to conduct the experiment entitled servo closed loop speed control. So the objective of this experiment is to be familiar with the servo operation in closed loop speed control. And the second objective is to be able to calculate and measure steady state speed of the digital servo motor of various controller closed loop. So the equipment for this experiment is, the first one is the servo controller. This is the software, and the second one is the linear axis series. Servo controller. This is the servo controller, and this is the linear axis. So next, this is the function generator, PID controller, and the power amplifier. So firstly, for conducting this experiment, we have to set all this control according to this table. We have to uncheck the reference, speed, and current. We have to follow all this. So the next step is to on the power and set the offset by following the table given. This is the voltage. We have to set the KP for the voltage.
My name is BNJ37301. My matrix number is CN190134. Okay, next I'll be with the procedure of the experiment. We will be using the digital servo controller. Okay, we will be choosing speed loop, not host control but device control. And we then click OK. Okay. Next will be by using table 1 setting for closed loop speed control measurements. We will be putting the info here into the software. Okay, first will be signal type constant, frequency 1 Hz, amplitude 0, offset 0, power off. Okay, power off, KP 1. Okay, the interval time was infinity. Okay, then the derivative time on E0 is 0, time base 10 millisecond. Okay, anti on, and reserve on, upper limit 100, or lower limit negative 100. Okay, and the open or closed loop is closed. Okay, then reference check, speed check, current uncheck, voltage check, error uncheck, so also uncheck, uncheck. Okay, display type is sweep. Okay, show or record data on. Okay, measured RPM gain 3000, measured gain 7, voltage for also 48. Okay, next will be by following this table. It shows that KP1 equals to 1. Okay, so we'll be setting up the first the KP here 1, and we'll set the power on. Okay, so we'll be just okay, next will be, we need to make sure the speed of voltage here, the value is equals to 40. So currently it's 24, so we need to increase the value of the offset until it reach 40. Okay, if we can make sure the value is to 40, we can just do it manually by changing the offset value. So 86. 96.95. Okay, so we already get the value here, 40 plus minus to 40. Okay, then we will just take the offset value, 86.5, and just put it here into the number 1 gain table, and including the RPM speed 1201 into the actual speed here. Okay, next, before we move to the second table, first we need to power off the software first. Okay, so and we need to change the offset value to 0. So then we'll be changing the value of KP equals to 2 and power on back and change the offset value as well. But make sure the value still still in 40% values. Okay, current is going on. Okay, 65. 63.51. Okay, we'll be putting the 63.51 into the offset, around 2, and the speed 1206.6 around the RPM. We'll be fill in the rest of the table using the formula here. By using the formula here, we'll be fill in the table here. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.